All right, guys, so we are up here. Right now, we're actually checking out one of the installs, and I'm just gonna show you guys. The guys are actually working still. It doesn't feel so hot right now, but here's everything they're doing. So, and then there you go. Here's some of the work. And you guys can see here. So how long you been installing now, Robert?
I've been doing solar for about 5 years.
Nice. And who do you work for?
Alternative solar.
Okay, very nice. And so, how difficult is it to install these things?
I mean, I wouldn't say too difficult. It's once you get used to the process, this is very time consuming through the day and all that. But I mean, it's not that difficult.
I mean, it looks like you guys move pretty quickly. I mean, you know.
Yeah, I got a fast crew. The guys right there. Say what's up, guys.
There's a crew right there.